Hi there, I am Neha. I am a chairman of Karnataka Academy for Training and Education. I provide NTT and PTT courses. As an educationist, I am suffering a different knowledge. Then I came to know about DMIT. Then I approached the Mind Mastery community. They have guided me a lot. After that, that is fulfilled my concern and I'm interested to take the franchisee. After taking the franchisee, the team is working on Mind Mastery community. They have supported me a lot. I especially thanks to Krupa ma'am because she guided me and she trained me well with patience, with for my own time. I really thankful to Kripa madam and whoever want to start a new business, please I suggest to go on through Mind Mastery community. It's the best platform to take knowledge and good training. They are supporting a lot. Krupa madam, once again I thank you so much. Really I'm satisfied for your cooperation. Thank you.